Hello and welcome. This is Uncle Good Advice. Today I'd like to show you how to clean the drain filter. If your washing machine gives information about the necessary clean filter, you should follow to my instruction. What you need? You need baking sheet, towel, and in case manual screwdriver. First of all, you should unplug washing machine from electricity. Please make sure that your washing machine is turned off and disconnected from the electrical. Then you should press the cover of filter. The best way is disassembling this cover. Here is emergency hose drain and filter. Sometimes when you see this information on the display, will be water inside the drum. In my case, there is no water inside, but if water will be inside, you cannot open the door. Anyway, let's check what is inside in the filter. To clean the filter pump, you should put near to washing machine baking sheet, then remove the cap from the emergency hose carefully, and drain rest of the water. If you finish drain water from the emergency hose, you can replace baking sheet to towel here, and we can open the filter pump. Turn left, there should be some water. Wow. There is some of hairs and remained rest of the clothes. Let's see inside. Everything is clear. I will clean this and assemble in a reverse way. Here you are. Carefully assembly in reverse way. make sure that these two arrows are here. Assembly the cap to the drain hose. Assembly here. And assembly the cover of filter pump. Close the door, connect to power, check if this cleaning will resolve this issue. I need to select rinse and spin, change rinse to 0 and RPMs to drain and no spin. Now washing machine is draining rest of the water and checking how it works pump drain. If something will be not okay, washing machine will give information on the display. Cycle complete. Everything is okay. Check one more time. Now it's okay. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome. This is Uncle Good Advice. Today I'd like to show you how to turn off Final Song in Samsung Washer. At first you should press button options for 5 seconds. Then you should go left, and here is alarm. This is off. Currently I activated play at the end of cycle song.